How to fix Snapchat calling not working. First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you have to do is scroll until you find Snapchat. Click on Snapchat right here and then click on storage. Click on clear data, clear cache. Go back and now click on the permissions right here. Make sure that all these permissions are enabled, especially the call logs permission. Go back and now click on the data usage right here. Make sure that all these options are enabled. And the last thing you want to do now is restart your phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.